Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jeff Maycheck. How's it going? Well, Mom can't go anywhere because her car's overheated. So she has to wait until it cools down. Don't want it to break down. So now I have to go get gas. I have to walk. My dad's not feeling well. So I don't know how long this is gonna be. Mom's really upset because she can't do anything that she needed to do. And so I have to try and make the best of it and walk to go get gas. It's just too bad that I can't get a ride or anything. Um, it's going to be heavy carrying this thing, I'm telling you, because I'm going to end up putting $10 in. It's warm out. I was going to leave earlier, but I wanted to make sure my phone was fairly decent. Yeah, right. Fairly decent. Shit. That's an understatement. It's at 76%. Hello. Um, so I always said before, you can't always plan what you're gonna do, and so I wanted to make sure that I got everything else uploaded before I decided to go for this walk. Dang, I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing TV. I'm wearing jeans. It's not jean weather. It's actually really warm out. Ouch. But I hope everyone's doing good, and good morning and good night or good evening or afternoon or happy midnight. Shout out to Tweenie, my loves. And I love you. Shout out to Tessie Channel. So, shout out to everybody. Such a long walk. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Welcome to my disaster day.
What?
I have to go walk to go get gas.
You have to walk?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Mom's car's almost overheated, and my dad is sick because he's got a really bad stomach ache.
Gas do you need?
I need $10 worth because I got to cut Tom's across the street.
I don't know if we have that much gas for you, honey.
Well, Mom already said, go get the gas. Don't ask anybody for gas.
Jeff, I'd take you, but I got the baby.
I understand. No,
Son.
I'm just talking to you. That's all. All right. Hello. I'll see you when I come back. Yeah, that's Tom Morello. So, yeah, too bad Jake couldn't give me a ride. Nope, he's going the wrong way anyway. He's going the opposite direction. Yep, looks like I might have to cut Ray's. See, it's gonna get that time again. No, that was Jan Jan. Yeah, Jan Jan. She was saying that she wouldn't be able to do anything because she's got the babies. So, actually, it's been a long time since I've done a walk like this. Probably a couple of years. So, this could be interesting. I just hope my phone doesn't die on me. Actually, I'm going to get out of the street and walk up here. My gosh. You think that they had people that cut grass. I don't do this grass up here. There's a company that's supposed to do that. And maybe they got fired. I don't know. See, Mom said, well, why don't you take the wheelbarrow? Thing is, I'm worried that if I take the wheelbarrow, um, somebody's gonna steal the wheelbarrow. um, ooh, that's scary. Big time. Wow. Well, it's definitely not. Hello, Margie TV. Definitely not good to step in. Hey, Margie TV, can you give me a ride to the store? Just jump in your airplane and fly out here. Actually, one time, this used to look like that over there. Look at that. That's pretty. Yep. Margie TV, what are you doing, my dear? You're just doing a lot of things, huh? Well, here we go. Now I gotta walk along this road. If it was like in New Jersey, we have places where we can actually walk. Now, if I ride my bike, how the hell do you carry this? And so my brother-in-law apparently is in Daytona. Margie, are you calling me? And so he can't do anything. And then, of course, my sister hasn't responded back to my mom yet. And my mom, so she's all upset. She's crying. Oh, I see. You're messaging back to Film Adventures. Oh, okay, that's cool. Gosh, you think they would pick up all the trash out here? Jeez. In New Jersey, if you were throwing trash outside the window, you get fined for that. I'm sure that's like that everywhere. So, that's it. Garbage, milk jug. Oop, that's fire ants. Now I would have the phone facing the other way, but since I got to keep my eye on the road, I got to keep doing this. So, Mom's like, "Quit fooling with your phone, get going." I'm like, "Well, I wanted to make sure my phone had at least a little bit of juice, so I could, do this. I really wanted to be 100%, but she was giving me a hard time, and." It's Friday. It's Good Friday. Yeah, it's Good Friday. Good Friday to be sweating in jeans. All I know is when I get home, I think I'm going to put on a pair of shorts. Yeah. They're right at the steps, so it's not a big deal. This ought to be interesting because I haven't actually done this before. Usually, if I'm going to get gas, there's somebody that's there to give me a ride. Now, I was going to ask the people that did the lawn, that I cut the grass for, but I figured they're probably too busy. And my concern is that his sister, just had her car detailed, and I have to be careful that I don't blow any grass or anything onto her car. Ooh, there's another fire ant pile. Not cool. No. You step in that and then you get bit. Slow down, monkey. Monkey. Heck, the last time I did something like this, I was showing a video to my no, not my ex, but my ex girlfriend, Mooney Coochie Calkins. She was gonna get a place here, and the house was up for sale or for rent. Rent. And not that anymore. I don't think they even rent this place anymore. Nice little house. Not very big. Oh man, another fire ant pile. Oof. So, man, I don't know how long it's gonna take me. It's gonna be a while. I actually thought about doing live, but the problem is, like I said, I wasn't at 100%. And I honestly thought if I was gonna do my live, I would have it at 100%. So, all right, well, I'm going to the left. No, going to the right. Going to the right. So heading down to go get gas, and then I head on home, and then I change my clothes, and then I'll have to go cut grass. Margie TV, if you have a live or premiere, I might end up missing you. I don't want to, but gotta watch out for cars, you know. People drive like crazy. You know, you think if they see somebody walking, they'll slow down a little. Jeez. Hello, Dougie. I remember you, Dougie. I remember you. I remember you. I remember you. Oh, good Dougie. Yeah, we'll probably see that doggy on the way back. Because I'll be on the other side. Because every time you walk, you gotta flow with the traffic, you know? Don't ever walk the other way, because they, you know, they won't see you. Or you won't see them. Or either way. But you're supposed to flow with the traffic, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, like I said, I could have left earlier and probably been back in time, but see, at least that person moved over. Some of the other people just drive right past. See, some of these people want to hit me. Hit me! Cracker! Just like a song from Primus and Limp Bizkit. Sure, some of you know what I'm talking about. I don't even know. Damn. Yeah, I probably really should have done a live. So, you know, I can be creative and go that way, but I don't think I want to. Want to go the scenic route? Sure, why not? Maybe a one-time deal. Take a scenic route. You want to know the secret? Secret is you go down this way and you look through the backyard, you might see my house. That's the key word. I forgot how long the circle goes, but it's better than facing all that traffic again. Because we're up on a hill, so if you look, I don't know which one it is, but one of these houses, what? Oh, great. What did Tom Morello just say to me? Oh, no. Oh, shit. Because I'm already halfway there, and he already texted me a message. So, I don't know, maybe it's not the right place. Shit. Now, I remember riding my bike down here one time. Oh, that's pretty. Now, I guess I better check to see what he had to say, because really, no, I guess you really can't see it. I thought maybe you would be able to see it. How you doing? It's one of those days where you got to walk to go get your gas. So, with no cars working, going to cut grass. I'm going the scenic route, so I'm going down to Walmart. Nope. Don't know that lady. But yeah, right over there. You go all the way to the back. It'll take you right to the other side. But I thought you would be able to see our house from here, but I guess not. Because if you look behind the trees, you can see the neighbor's house. I actually rode my bike through here once, so that's why I know this thing goes around in a circle. Too bad I told her that I didn't say, hey, need any work? You can hire me. Well, I guess I better check to see if Tom Morella, see what message he left. I'll wait a little bit. I just gotta go up around here. Just like I said, I decided to take the scenic route. She's probably wondering why I was talking to myself. So, no. How much time we got? That's not too bad. That's like a normal amount of time that I normally record. Yeah. I probably screwed myself. I got this way because now it's uphill. Yeah, you know my luck. Tom Morella probably said, oh, well, we have gas you can use. Or he probably said, how long do you think? Oh my gosh, somebody's cooking on the grill. How long are you going to take to get over here? I don't know. I'll let you know in my next upload. But somebody wants to pass. Teenagers. Smells like teen spirit. Now, when I come back, I won't go around the circle. I'll just go straight. Probably a waste of a walk, but I thought it would make it a little more entertaining for you. See? On the round cable. Yep. He gotcha. Now these people wondering, why the hell is this person phones? Relax. Almost there, guys. Whoa. Damn. That's why it's crazy to be walking alongside the road like this. Some people just don't know how to slow down. I'm wearing a light shirt, you know? You saw me in the car, right? Hello. You know, I know what you're thinking. Like, why don't we get gas when we're out before? I said that to Mom, but she said, no, I don't want to take... See, there's another sign. I don't want to take the gas can. We'll just come back later. And, you know, we were going to go in the car to go get the gas. But our car overheated. Ooh, little jar. Somebody's been getting drunk. Hey, Margie TV, check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, you don't normally get to see stuff like that. Oh, I think the people who live here, I think there's somebody there that is in a wheelchair. Well, it used to be. There used to be a ramp there. Oh, isn't that nice? Didn't realize there was a sidewalk there. But I'm not going that way. Yeah, that's nice. Here's the one problem, people. I'm not going that way. I'm going straight. Yeah. Well, what I'll probably do is, once I get there, I'll stop and upload, and hopefully I'll still have enough room to do a video on the way back. If you go down that way, that takes you down to where you go back past the CVS and stuff like that. Yep, Kimball Road. Right on now, I'm on Hensley, or Adobe Ridge Road. Shouldn't be saying that, but shh, you didn't hear me say that. Action gal! Yep. Oh, at least he moved. Oh, great. Let's check this out. The bushes out here sticking so far out. I'm gonna have to be walking on the road here. That sucks. You think that whoever lives here would come around the side here, cut this stuff back, because there's no sidewalk along here, so you have to be careful. So, hey, did I shout out 21 Loves? I can't remember. I think I did. See, look at this. Bonk. They need to cut that back. Gosh, I swear this was a lot shorter a walk than I thought. Well, next time I'm not going to go around that section. No, see, I got some decent people. Because, see, it's good to wear this neon shirt because then people will, drive out further. Not like that one person with that truck. He drove right past and holy shit. Don't want to get stung. Oh, that would suck. You got a bee coming at you and then people are driving by so quick, Keep waiting for somebody to say, get out of the road. I'm out of the road now. They really need to put a sidewalk in here. Damn, I gotta scratch my face again. See, way back there. Problem is, I'm so thirsty. By the way, Judy Fisher, I did use the Listerine, but you know what? It didn't help. No, it didn't help. My throat is still very sore, and now working in this heat made me really thirsty. So, once upon a time, there was a house over here, but it got burned, and so they had to knock it all down. Who knows what they'll do here? We're almost there. This Walmart's right behind these trees, and then I have to go walk through the parking lot, and then I'll get my gas. Yeah, it's so much lighter on the way, but on the way back it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So hopefully nobody will steal my gas can. Oh, maybe it's this house. Maybe this was it. I don't know. There were two different places because there was two. There's one that wasn't there, and this might have been it. Yeah, I don't think of it. This might have been it. So, oh, they sold it. Yeah, they sold it. Who knows what they'll put in here? That'd be cool if they put it on the store or something. Bigfoot forestry. Okay. Okay, Bigfoot forestry. Shout out to you. Finally here. Now, if I was going grocery shopping, obviously I would not have this. No. First, yesterday, when we came in here, I went to go inside, and they said, "No, sir, you can't come in here. We have a power out." Now I can walk on the sidewalk. Well, if you like this video, please don't forget the thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I can't watch a premiere right now. I'm in Walmart parking lot. Maybe I'll even take a picture before I go. All right. Watch out for traffic. MVP. Yeah, that's where we're going. Walmart. As soon as I get some shelter, I'll check out the message. Oh, remember, I think I told somebody about these awesome donuts. They are so much better than Dunkin' Donuts, but they're so expensive. Yeah. Oh, great copyright. But yeah, there it is. Sweet donut. I'm telling you, they got the best donuts. Oh, watch out. Well, Dad said not in a million years would I ever walk down here. But guess what? I'm down here. Well, hopefully they got the power back on. Now I'm gonna go on the other side because I always like the other side best. So, all right. Well, I gotta go do what I gotta do, and I will see you in my next upload. I think I'm gonna go to number 2.